Does VPN actually encrypt your data? So you're going to see a live example in this video. Here I'm opening a website. Here in the website I'm just opening testphp.oneweb.com. I'm also starting the Wireshark for capturing the packet. And yeah, let us do packet capturing in this HTTP unencrypted protocol website like Wild Web. So here I'm just going to click the sign up button and entering the username and password here as admin. So after that, I'm just going to the Wireshark, and in the Wireshark, I'm just stopping the capture, and after that, I'm just clicking search, and I'm just searching for the package details. I'm searching for the string pass, and here you can see the password, right? So yeah, we can just move to any other password list. So here, as you can see, the username was admin and the password was admin. So this is how it works, right? HTTP will work like this. So HTTP is unencrypted, right? So what if you use a VPN? So that's the biggest question, right? So yeah, I'm just closing all those tabs and I'm just gonna start a VPN here. I'm just starting Proton VPN. You can download it, Proton VPN by yourself, so it's free. It's cool. So I'm just clicking any country. So I'm here clicking the United States, that's my country. And after that, you can see Proton VPN was now connected. And now I'm connected to VPN. And now I'm opening the browser. In the Firefox browser, I'm just moving to the testphp.oneweb.com and I'm just starting the Wireshark. Inside the Wireshark, I am going to open our interface, which is ETS0. And in here, in the sign up button, I'm just clicking the sign up button and entering the username as admin and the password as admin again. And I'm just entering again. So yeah, I'm just stopping the Wireshark packet capture. I'm just zooming it for you, and when I search for pass, so I'm not able to see any packets. As you can see, no packet contain that string in its display. So anyways, here the protocol, you can see the protocol is now WireGuard. So if you look for WireGuard protocol, you can see the encrypted packet. So basically your content is encrypted, so anyone sniffing your current interface will not be able to see your content because your content is encrypted. And here in this VPN, the protocol is WireGuard. So we can also search for HTTP, so you will not able to find any kind of HTTP packets because your content is encrypted using WireGuard protocol. So so I'm not saying that if you use HTTP website, it's always safe to use VPN, something like that. So the thing is, so I'm just closing the Wireshark and I'm just opening the Wireshark again. And after that, so anybody sniffing your ETH0, your interface, will not be able to see your contents. That's the thing. So here is our VPN's interface, which is Proton 0. So I'm just starting the VPN interface and I'm just entering the credentials as admin and admin. So here I'm just putting it as correct, and after that I'm just stopping the Wireshark packet capture, and here I'm just searching for pass, and now I was able to see our contents. Like, so if you use HTTP, so the content is always visible, but if someone's sniffing you, then if you use a VPN, then your content is going through the VPN server. If someone is sniffing your interface, they will not able to see your content. Your contents will be encrypted if you use a VPN server. So your content will be transferred using this VPN server. So that's what is happening. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.